Good morning everyone. My name is Gauri Kaniko and I am from class 9 of Aaditya International School. So today we are going to discuss about a blooming part of a plant known as flower. So as you all know, this is China rose, which botanical name is hibiscus and its local name is Gudhar. So from this flower we are going to study the parts of a flower. So let's start. First, for holding this flower, there is a stalk-like structure known as pedicel, and then as you see this cup-like structure like this, which is known as receptacle, which holds the flower. Then you see this green leaf-like structure here known as sepal, which protects the growing birds, which protects the plant. And then this is a colorful part known as petals, also together known as corolla. This helps us to attract insects in pollination. Then next, reproductive parts of a flower. This thread-like structure you all see here, yellow colored, it is known as androecium, which is a male reproductive part which releases pollen grains. Then this brightly red colored structure known as gynoecium, which is a female reproductive part. So it produces ovules. Then this pollen grains from androecium go into the gynoecium, then it fuses with ovules and form seeds and fruits. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Pratha Patel. I am from Aaditya International grade 9. Today I am explaining the parts of the flower. You can see in my hand there is the part, there is the hibiscus flower. Now I am explaining the parts of the flower. We will start from the bottom. This is the thalamus, the swollen part of the flower. It is the stand for the flower and where all the floral part is attached to the thalamus. This is the sepals. When our flower is a young bird, it protects it and it also do the photosynthesis. It's also known as the corolla. And this is the petals. The petals, it is the bright, colorful, fragment parts of the flower which attract the insect for the pollination. Now, this is the reproductive parts of the flower. This is the gynoecium and the androecium. The androecium is made up of the filament anther which is produce the pollen grains, and it's totally known as the stamen. This is the gynoecium. This is the female part of the flower named the gynoecium. The first part is stigma where all the pollen grains are land. They go through the style and come to the ovary where they fuse with the ovules and the totally known as the pistil. And this is the parts of the flower. And after the fuse of the ovules and the pollen grains, they form the new seeds, new fruits and new flowers. Thank you. That's enough from my side.